Today we're going to have a look at how the upcoming MDM changes are going to impact your personal cell phone. So to start, you might already be accessing your email through a native application like the iOS Mail app here. That might continue working for a few days, but should break at some point soon. So after we've configured these settings and let you know about that, one of the first things you're going to want to do here is go ahead and remove that account. You probably don't want to do this quite yet until we've gone through and enabled the policies. Otherwise, your experience as you go through this procedure will be a little bit different. So to start, we're going to open up the settings and we're going to go to Mail. Inside of here, we'll find Accounts, and you probably already have an existing account. In this case, it's Exchange. Yours might say that as well. I think that's a default. And then you can go ahead and press Delete Account down here on the bottom and say delete from my iPhone. Now this is going to remove your mail, contacts, calendars, reminders, and notes. These things are going to be synchronized through the Microsoft Outlook application moving forward and won't be integrated natively into the phone. So we'll delete that account and we'll go back to the home screen. Now at this point, we'll go ahead and open up the App Store. And there are three things that we're going to need here. First of all, the Microsoft Authenticator. Before you even begin this process, you should really already have that configured by now. So if you haven't configured the Microsoft Authenticator, or if you're not sure, go ahead and click on the video. I'll have a link here in the description and on the side. Go ahead and click on this video and follow the instructions there to make sure that you've got that configured if you're not certain. But otherwise, after you've got the Authenticator, we're also going to need Outlook. And if we just look for Outlook here, we'll find Microsoft Outlook. And ignore any advertisements you see at the top. It will be Microsoft Outlook there. So we'll get that one. We'll also get something called the Company Portal here. So again, we'll search for Company Portal. And this will be the Intune Company Portal. Now, once we've got these three applications installed, we're going to go ahead and open the Intune Company Portal here and connect to that first. So we'll sign into this screen. And this will involve a Microsoft Authenticator prompt, so you'll unlock your Authenticator and approve that. It'll allow you to pick the account connected to the Authenticator. And then it will send a notification. If you can't see the number, go ahead and press I can't see the number so that you can see what it says. The prompt will come back up. Enter the code and press yes. And then approve the prompt again. Since we've already enabled the policies, you should see this screen automatically. If you don't see the screen, it's because the policies aren't enabled for you quite yet, so your experience might be different, but you can always click device at the bottom and begin the process there as well. Once we're here, we'll go ahead and hit begin. This screen gives us a brief bit of information about what the company can and cannot see on your phone. So they can't see a lot of your personal information, for example. We'll hit continue here. You can read that if you'd like. We'll hit continue. You'll be prompted to allow a download. You can close the little pop-up it's got here for you and press continue. And then if you press continue again, it's going to give you instructions about how to install what we just downloaded. And I'll leave this here on the screen on the side as we move forward. So we're going to go ahead and press the home button to go back to the front page. We'll open up the settings. I'll start there at the beginning here. We'll just hit the back button if you're in the middle of any particular setting. And we're looking for general right here. If we scroll down on the general page, we'll find VPN and device management. So click on that. And then you'll see that there should now be a downloaded profile. Go ahead and click on the downloaded profile and click install. You'll have to enter your passcode to your phone. And now go ahead and install the profile. Give it a second. You can see it spinning on the top right here. And we'll see install on the top right here. Go ahead and install it and trust it. And there we go. We've got the MDM installed on our phone now. So we'll hit done. After you're done installing the management profile, go ahead and press the home button. Head back to the front page here. And we're going to go back into the company portal app. In here, we'll tell it, yes, I installed the profile. And it might figure that out on its own, it looks like. And then we'll press continue. The device will check its compliance to make sure that it has encryption, a lock screen, isn't jailbroken, and is an up-to-date version of the operating system. If it does give you trouble and consistently asks you to retry, you might just reboot your phone and it'll probably figure it out. Once you're done there, go ahead and press done. And you can head back to the home screen. Now we can open up the Outlook app. And sign in if prompted. Otherwise, it should figure out your account here and just press add account. If it asks you to add another account, let's press maybe later for now. And if you don't get it right away, you should get a couple of pop-ups about how the IT or the organization intend on managing the data within this app, and it'll kind of reset itself a couple of times, but then it'll be all sorted. And that's it. You've set up the mobile device management, and your phone is ready to be used with the new security policies. If you have any trouble with that, just contact our support desk. Otherwise, have a great day.